Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. This spring and fall we're hosting a whole brand new series of workshops for teachers for math, science, English, and history. You should check out these workshops. We're going to be holding them in Massachusetts, in Florida, in New York, in California. Check them out. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Take care. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. Today we're going to be working on number 46 on the CBEST Elementary Math Practice Test. I'll enlarge this problem so you can look at the diagram before we start. It's always very, very important that you look at the diagram that they give you, whatever they give you, whether it's a chart, a diagram, an expression, and see if you can pull any information from it. All right? So this one right here, it says use the graph below, but it's a diagram or graph. It gives you a title. Always start with the title. What is this about? Well, this is about U.S. energy consumption. And underneath it, it tells us it's between nuclear versus hydroelectric energy. Okay. And we have this. You should scan it over. On the x-axis, you have years. And on the y-axis, you have the amount of energy being produced. And then what is this dotted line and this straight line? Well, you go to the key. The dotted line is the nuclear consumption. The straight line is the hydroelectric consumption. Okay. Now, before I even read the question, what kind of observations can you make? I mean, I think it's fair to say, looking at this, and you want to get to the point where you look at the graph and within 10, 15, 20 seconds, you're already 100% there, seeing that as time goes on, nuclear energy, the consumption of nuclear energy increases. More and more people are getting their energy from nuclear energy, right? That's kind of what's shown here. And also you can make the observation that it looks like hydroelectric energy is kind of pretty steady, right? It's almost flatlined. Some years it's up, some years it's down, but it's pretty relatively steady. Right now, with this understanding of the problem, which I think you can get within the first 30 seconds of reading it, now I think we can go and we can actually read the question. So here, I'll jump right into the question. It says, according to the graph above, what was the maximum difference in energy consumption between the two sources of energy in any one year shown? So we're looking for the maximum difference. And I go back to the years here. What year had the maximum, the greatest difference? And what was that difference? Well, these years, they're neck and neck, right? So there's not much of a difference there. But I guess if I'm looking at this, these years kind of stick out. 1970 and 1990. So I'll start with 1970. This is about 1, maybe 2 BTUs, or whatever a BTU is of quadrillion BTUs. It's about 2. What about this one? This is 1, 2, 3, 3 plus. So I'll do 3 plus here. And this one right here is maybe, it's about 2, maybe 2 plus. This one, this is really the greatest, maximum difference. And that happened in 1990 between nuclear and hydroelectric. And when I look at the answer choices, that kind of sticks out right away. It's a little bit over 3. It's 3 plus. Spend 30 seconds in the beginning. Really study the diagram or the graph. Make sure you thoroughly understand it so that you can go about solving it. And that way, this answer here is crystal clear by the time you get to it. It makes total sense. Okay, team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHmath. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it on your own. Let me know what you think. Have a great day, team. Bye-bye.